Hey, this is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I want to talk about setting up Up App-Ads.txt. Okay, so on last Friday's live stream, a lot of the conversation we had was related to App-Ads.txt. Because if you're an AdMob user or if you earn revenue through AdMob, you probably got the same email that I got last week, which was this. On the 27th of August, AdMob is launching support for App-Ads.txt, and it says in the email here that they're going to be supporting and enforcing App-Ads.txt, and so they encourage you to go ahead and do it. Although they say it's not mandatory, it's kind of iffy. The way the wording is different. The way they say they're enforcing it by the 27th of August. But the good news is it was really easy to set up. All you have to do is go into your AdMob console, go up to Apps, View all apps, and on the apps page you got the two tabs apps, and you should have a new one there called App-Ads.txt, and you should see all the domains that you have, all the ad spaces, the app IDs, and the spaces that you have, and which your developer domain which you have set up in the App Store and in Google Play. And I suppose that if I had different app domains in App Store and Google Play, I don't know why you would. You'd see two different URLs there, or two different domains. But all it was a case is going up here in the upper right hand corner and saying how to set up App-Ads.txt, copying this out into a file called App-Ads.txt and uploading it to the root domain of your website. So I did that yesterday. This was gray and it says not verified, and then once I uploaded it, it took like a day for it to spider it, and then it showed up green and fine. Now the reason they do this is apparently to prevent ad spoofing or people taking over your ads or something like that. It's totally over my head. I was trying to research this so I could talk about how this would work. Dude, didn't make sense to me, but I think if AdMob wants me to do it, if Google wants me to do it, I'll do it. Maybe I'll get better quality ads. It's a very simple thing to do. There is a really good video here from a guy at InMobi. Well, I say it's really good. It's very long, but he goes into detail about how it works, and I was watching it and I thought, dude, man, I just don't care, right? But if you are interested, I'll include that there. Right, and it's an easy thing to do. So if you have a developer website, and if you're a developer, you should have a website. You should, you're one of the technically literate. You know how to do it. All you have to do is get a domain for a few dollars, set something up, promote yourself, promote your apps, put a few landing pages on there, and then just upload the App-Ads.txt on there, and it's very simple to do. So my question to you guys is, have you set up App-Ads.txt? Do you have any concerns about it? Because I just thought, I'll just do it. Yeah, no big deal. It's easy to do. I'll do it. But do you guys have any concerns about it? Because it was easy to do. Well, I'd be interested to see in a couple months time what the differences are between people who don't have it set up and people who do have it set up, and see whether or not they get better revenue or better traffic or anything like that. So anyway, that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys again next time.